journey and the path from one to three.
Years ago when I was choosing, everybody you move. Oh my God, I am now, but it's fine.
Some parents engage in sex acts in the presence of their children.
During the 90s, we have people who became presidents and head of states by in their early 30s, 40s, and 50s.
Hello and welcome to the Choosing Ones Academy TV. The Choosing View, I am the Choosing Ayadele Florence. Here with me in the studio today is an honorable guest of honor. She's a mother to us, a kind-hearted woman, a loving mother and a loving wife. But before the camera show her face, let's go on a short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
We are the choosing ones. Hey. We are the choosing ones. We are the choosing ones.
Our guest today, Mrs. Jesudaisi Oluwatomisin Ayomiko, is married to Mr. Jesudaisi Shegun, the chairman of the Choosing One Comprehensive Academy with 2 kids. She studied Science Laboratory Technology at Moshood Abiola Polytechnic, Ojeri, Abeokuta, where she obtained her ND result. She also studied Medical Health Technology at Crestfield College of Health Technology area, Osun State, CEO at Choosing Vic-Fort Medicine, and variety stores, also the proprietress at the Choosing One Comprehensive Academy. Welcome, ma. It's a pleasure to have you in our midst.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
And today we are talking about health, and our topic today is hepatitis B. Then, please, ma, what is hepatitis B?
Hepatitis B.
Hepatitis B.
Before I proceed, we have to define hepatitis generally. Hepatitis is an inflammatory condition of the liver caused by viruses, bacteria, alcohol, or drugs abuse.
Thank you, ma'am. Then what is
Hepatitis B.
Yes, ma'am.
Hepatitis B is an transmitted disease that damage liver, and the causes, some of the causes are taking excess alcohol, drug abuse can cause it, having unprotected sex can cause it, through body fluid like blood, vaginal secretion or semen.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Is hepatitis B a communicable disease?
Yes, it is communicable disease.
Okay. How is
Because
it a communicable disease?
yes, thank you. It is a communicable disease because in my explanation I said hepatitis B is inflammatory condition of a liver. The reason why it is a communicable disease is through sharing of body fluid like blood. For example, like husband and wife now, when one party has hepatitis B and the second one did not have, whenever they have sexual intercourse, it can be transmitted to the second party. So with that, one has to practice protected sex.
Thank you, ma. What if the two of them has the hepatitis B?
If the two of them have the hepatitis B, they will have to go to the hospital for treatment.
Okay. What are the signs and symptoms of hepatitis B?
The signs and symptoms of hepatitis B is headache. Secondly, tiredness, weakness of the body, muscle ache. Then the long time signs and condition is dark urine, and the white eyes turns yellow, the skin turns yellow, which is the sign of jaundice.
All right, ma. Thank you, ma'am. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
We are the choosing ones, oh. Yeah. We know they carry last,
Welcome back to Choosing One's Academic TV. Mrs. Jesudai Soluwatomisin. Then the next question is, how can we diagnose hepatitis B?
Ways we can diagnose hepatitis B is the patient will go for blood test, that is hepatitis B test. And another way we can diagnose it is through ultrasound, that is scan. The person will go for scan, that is full abdominal scan. It brings out the liver, the kidney. So when the patient go for for the scan, it brings out if the person has hepatitis, because there will be an inflammation of the liver will swell up. So we can diagnose that through the ultrasound. Another way we can diagnose it is through liver functioning test.
What if the person did not know actually, and he did not go for the test or just anything like that? What
It's possible some people did not know maybe they have hepatitis B, but there will be a later symptoms that will come up that will lead to doing of test.
What are the complications of hepatitis B?
Complication of hepatitis B, number one is liver cancer, number two is liver damage, and number three is cirrhosis, that is scarring of the liver. And another complication is death. If proper care is not taken, it leads to death, because once the liver stop functioning, that is serious issue, serious
Except
case.
from all that, except from all that, what is another complication of hepatitis B?
Another complication, that those things I mentioned, that are that's the complications of hepatitis B. And another complication is when the liver stop functioning, it leads to bleeding. The bleeding, the bleeding leads to high blood pressure, that is hypertension, which can lead to death.
Thank you, ma'am. What are the prevention of hepatitis B?
Prevention of hepatitis B is go for the vaccine. There is vaccine for hepatitis B, because those newborn baby at birth, they do give them HBV, that is hepatitis B vaccine. So another prevention is we should stop sharing needle and stop sharing razor blade, and we should avoid contact with blood, because you do not know, maybe the blood has been infected with hepatitis B. So touching it, we can contact it too.
Thank you, ma'am. What advice do you have for us?
The advice I have is that we should practice, for the married couples, we should practice safe sex. We should always use condom during sexual intercourse. And for others, we should stop sharing toothbrush, and we should stop using razor blade that another person, that someone else has used, and we should stop sharing needle. That is my advice.
Thank you, ma'am. The choosing Mrs. Jesudai Soluwatomisin. Thank you, ma'am. We really appreciate you.
Thank you. It's my
We
pleasure.
enjoy your talk this today. Make a shout out to your loved ones and your family. Make a shout out to your loved ones, and tell them not to forget to subscribe on our YouTube page.
My family and friends, I want to greet you. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for watching the Choosing One's Comprehensive Academy TV. And please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. God bless you.
Dear viewers, as my guest said earlier, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share on our YouTube page, The Choosing Ones Academic TV. Thank you, love you all, bye.
We know they carry last. We know they carry last.